Hi, welcome to this tutorial on guest relationship management, in particular the guest history. The guest history module will allow you to build information and then record the client's or guest's information relative to those fields. Once you've done that, you can extract reports on that and do marketing to specific areas of what you've recorded about a guest's history stay with you. Let's have a look where that happens. Go to Administration, Setup, Code Tables, Contacts, Guest Profile, Guest Trip History, or Guest Trip Sheet. Let's click on that. Here we have three areas that have recently been set up by this client, and now should you need to add additional areas, or once you've determined for your personal business what you want to record under trip history, come to the screen and click on Add New Object. You need to make a decision based on whether the recording will be via a radio button, a checkbox, drop down, etc. Let's just look quickly how the existing ones were set up. So on the guide we chose a radio button, give it the name of guide, and we entered who the different guides were. Did the same with suggestions. In this particular case it was a text area. And for Lodge Manager we used a checkbox, and those are the different lodge managers that could be selected during that guest's stay at your lodge. Having decided on and built those particular areas in the system, we can now go and use that on a particular guest's reservation. And these fields can then be added to the guest record, where we can choose a particular guest, or in the contacts database find that particular guest, then click on the guest role, and here to the right we will see the guest profile, and down in the middle we will see travel history and a little suitcase under trip. Let's now click on the icon, and here we can see the guest trip information. Fields that we've added into were the guide, any suggestions, and who the lodge manager was. Now that we're in the record for this particular guest, we can select the different areas and add that to the guest's trip history. So we have the profile on the right, and we have the trip history under the suitcase icon. We hope you found the short tutorial on guest relationship management, guest history side, setting up and including that information on a reservation useful.